guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have put together 4 crock pot meals. All of these crock pot meals are super easy, super fast to put together, and they're all very delicious. So if you want to see these 4 crock pot meals, then just keep watching. Okay, so this first meal is taco soup. I'm just adding corn, dark red kidney beans, light red kidney beans, some black olives I had in the cabinet, some rotel, and a packet of ranch and a packet of taco seasoning. I'm just gonna add this all to the crock pot, and then I will add a pound of ground beef and then about 2 cups of beef broth, and I'll just let this cook in the crock pot on high for 4 hours or low for 8 hours. This next meal is beef stew. I'm just adding some stew meat, brown gravy mix, and then I'm gonna season it with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then I'm gonna add my potatoes on top, and then just a couple cans of mixed vegetables. And I'm gonna let this cook on low for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. Okay, this meal was so good. I'm using some chicken, and then I'm gonna season with the chicken taco packet and a packet of ranch. And I think I cooked this on low for about 4 hours because I didn't have very much chicken. And then I just served it up with some rice and beans. And this was definitely a hit. My husband loved this one. I had just a little bit of salsa left in my fridge, so I went ahead and threw this in. It gave it some good flavor. This last one is an Italian chicken potato crock pot meal. I'm just slicing up some red potatoes. I'll put this in the bottom of the crock pot, add the chicken on top. Of course, I'm gonna season with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then I'm gonna add a bottle of the Italian Olive Garden dressing. And then I'm just gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. This was pretty good. I think next time I'm gonna leave out the Parmesan cheese and maybe just try it with the dressing and see. The chicken was really good flavored, but we did not like the potatoes. So just keep that in mind when you're making this. You guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.